This is Biba Olivia Aquava. Hadie the Jason Hot News and Aramedi Bramo and so we can subscribe Bomaria say over subscribe to the channel. Yobayan say over click the subscribe button. Now barely notification. We understand new video be upload. Also once a can be. I feel we are now like video and give us a thumbs up. Now share my offer so now when you be here now and summer air so ewo Ghana memo hano. I feel you share a year and summer about beto ye so yeti yes answer me report here about people yeti and come we are episode yeti na membu obebu Ghana ye nyine hu true can let's do the right thing ono and the buy ya ye cedi otumi yi 40 free ho. What kind of economic cedi no ye 20,000 no you 4 zeros na ye say 2 na sika na ye hata ene waka ko trefie oba be sikani ene nyankopon se boni a obedi ye ti waka che ahwiche mu na oto wontina hodi dala with all due respect I did due respect I did due respect hwiche mu de ne de meslo please you free ho be you de free ho hwiche mu de no you want on share on judge okika kano na ebufu ati enne all due respect brother kufuor na me you free ho enne brother kufuor oh jam me njere I the baby if you said boni by my somebody should talk to that guy Dela Edem anya you would die earlier than your time so wunima me catch no be so be ordinary nsi kufuor and as quickly as possible SSL will apologize to J Kufuor. I'm giving you between now and then 6 p.m. Anya say china ubenu hu me na ka kire wo Kufuor saden ono na opiapia zeros na wo ye sika na chi in any case yemfa ne say ye cosmetic ada na went to Akufo Addo so onye bi sanko bi abaye ena mfiem enan bi ya no wo abo zeros wo akire na dollar any cedi ahoden aye pa anka edwedi bre ha mo adwen ye adwuma Dela ma dwen no enye adwuma wankasa ye kra interviews akoso with them papa me ka je Kufuor there I am a den say ni na no na me ya we me kai say Edward champion say na wo da be na me say da bi obi anwie ni de ye to abawia. Let me tell you today President Kufuor wa endorse Bawumia tie interviews ni na ye se wonnim je ya ena utimba yode it's newspapers ni na crowd here daily guide no share that share baby kitu bi a vote for Bawumia so then something like that then newspaper then can. But let me tell you moi mubuafu je Kufuor say why endorse Bawumia no o endorse Bawumia bia hwi to boas na fa interviews ni na tie ni yi. He spoke as a statesman. The major statement he made about 2024 elections and say too many people wow umunu feel say on the bit me aboa. So those of you are when you bring me papa so no munyai munyayo so wonim Kufuor pa na wotie interview ni momi yi a o kire wo say vote against MPP wotie yi a for when it to form aya for when ni tie ade na fa wasohwe tobo be hu sa ade no enye de wadwen kire wo no. And to those of you angry, he's rather telling you, sir, leave these people. And yet Bawumia as an individual, this whole team, throw them away. Sir, me wo meba. Meba. Bless echo elections. And only Peter Ba echo elections. Na me ba me yemba na me ba na me catch say oh
me ye mba na ekọ election ne de da nipa mienu no de opa bia no to mana me ba me support na me support no no dwen asem no ho mienu nipa mienu na ekọ akwansie me ye mba ka ho kufuor oye MPP papa ono ne nipa ode MPPD president mi hu okroma no say nipa mienu ekọ akwansie no one nipa 13 no de wa opebia na kokotoma no ne ba no support na non support no fe no to nche akwa bi yese fe ne Dela Edem message Jimmy no what has mam kajon ha se na wanum wi ena odoka tra TV nso keka sankwa asem no sedan listen kufuor wedi 80 plus looking at you wundi 50 simple bibi na asi na otehwilim adena why na tete sa akwa na ye friend say said Dela was why na tete o abodam say uti pempo ni kwan say sebe wode ne tebia esere no na papa penia ochen wo bam ebi obetimi no wona nakora epe bam Gabby, you did very well. Gabby, you did extremely well. But Dela no I remember my birthday I'm in a very good mood to echna na binya. Somebody should tell that guy to stop fooling. Se woni ma me ka kire kufuor na tete mahama. Tesa wo se wo ye NDC ni ampa mo nyansa nya adwuma jai mo asem no di. Mahama kufuor even though Mahama ye NDC ni ene kufuor ye MPPD ba kufuor ni Rollins ye adwuma nti PNDC uyi P no firi ho a dina ewo ho no uyi P na aka NDC nti kufuor ye adwuma wo NDC yi P ni firi ho aka NDC Mwini free TV no sombe ma de na tia fa so hwe na nim nine and Mahama ohu kufuor a onya fom kro beda even though mienu na di president da Ibrahim Mahama time na enkrofo bo na pempem kufuor anhwe se oye Mahama nua oye NDC ni omani nya besenya kese e di ye adwuma ne Ibrahim Mahama afanipa over 2000 adwuma bosum bia otua wonka Dela Jimmy no entino kufuor nyo bia sabe oye yimu no na kame mi free agiba me nka mi free ani yenya ye di na chi nyina fi yen kola brem mi nu mi ho da sabe de mi ho che papa no if you say asamba kupo catch me on my birthday our the empty envelope esuma adokufo any honorable apia kubi yeah nkofo man poison ko mukuni honorable apia kubi ye friend dey be apia kubi jebi ni din there and the apia kubi our man poison ko mukuni o ma so be catch me say empty envelope na chala be the birthday no be envelope empty so man na dey say nipa bia yama no empty envelope no o wotumi wa hoden so betimi afele nti ko na ko fele envelope no enu achi answer offer me chama de obie no wa wadi je kufuor achi awanu no papa no oye bosom me asofo bi bom pa ma me amen perform but ada oyi ni ti eche ehye no ede ma me share won anim hwe anyame me do me dem ma me di eche sa hye mi ti no na me mu no hwe sa che nde wona ase wo ye hwan won hye bi Somebody should talk to that guy, Dela Edem. Anya, you would die earlier than your time. So we may catch the so be ordinary kufuor. And as quickly as possible, SSL will apologize to J. Kufuor. I'm giving you between now and the next 6 p.m. Anya say china ubenu me na me catch it. Kufuor said Onona opia zeros na we sika nachi. In any case, yemfa ne say cosmetic. I don't know when to be ankancha Akufo Addo so onyibi. Sanko bi abaye enamfiem enan bi ya no wabo zeros wo akire na dollar any cedi ahoden aye pa. Anka edwedifo bre. Ha. Mo adwen nya adwuma. Dela madwen no enye djuma wankasa yie kra
obi nkan kire president Kufuor se yase opanyi dua mante se nkwala idi agro na odi wanu kotu mu a yedi watem president Kufuor munu hu tie nipa mienu na eko one dey starting to kono Afenyo Markins na di asem no court it is a president Kufuor na kola na Afenyo Markins it is a president Kufuor we futuo bia nipa o se fata so suru tunfo ene Afenyo Markins enso president Kufuor oyo mampanyini na ye nua nya atwom ene intellectual dishonesty e won office e chema MPP for die enti enne hwantro ye die MPP nim se adie we ye black anopa obehunu se ye black edre nyumre o se ye red de kire ne se MPP ni pe nim se asem bi to NDC fo anopa na se eye ne da oso eye ne de eye edre nyumre na sa asem no ato no a o se asem no asem boni ofa president Kufuor di eja o mampanyini die mfie nwotwenie o se mfie du nwotwenie 16 years otifie o man ne de ko eseyo eye dian yo na president Kufuor tiwo president Kufuor nya twum adware no former president wo do de me ngi I can say Oman enega na no ayewo no this generation former president say Jesus nyankopon kura na say obi mpo na betena be ye bibi a republican nkofo beka who talk about it before this president Kufuor nya twumadware no odi aye nku won office no odi otisra ade enti na meka sa kire ma meka sa mekire be say nya twum e beku president Kufuor nya twum beku no monka che president Kufuor say be say nya twum beku no wa fatie president Kufuor ha say ena nana Akufo Addo kobo besia 25 billion edi begu nkrofo adwuma nyanse bi enim enti na me fi say president Kufuor wonyinsin Akufo Addo anase woni atupe no nka obetu no for say de wo ye no nyanse nim anase ejimi wanka 25 billion ye de gu nkrofo adwuma nipa 1.2 million ena wo modwamu asay o betrefie oku 11 banks ngoso your former president you didn't speak today you want to speak nyachum intellectual dishonesty papa we mama nka sam nchiro no ma esi ha ya to about 2020 ya ku nipa nwotwe 2020 about to ya to ya ku nipa nwotwe sa na me ka chiro na president Kufuor sa atam no ofono osono se na funum anase ni minim osono na se ni minim into entumi ankasa ya ku nipa nwotwe about to nana ye change judges our courts nana president Kufuor ye din nya twum na wudie wo mu hu aye mu ubu hu aye bebu nsamfum say jai panyini obe wadi o man panyinda ye ku nipa abato mamua ayawa so was wago na ye by election ba kope na MPP fa kwa kotwa mrantie etwa ntare de ahye omo edi kaka motobi ahye omanim edi Ghana fotuo ahye omo seso mkoku nipa president Kufuor nya twumunti uti krom ha say wantumi anka ho hwe also your former president listen a former president must distinguish himself he must be a classified iconic individual he must not be selfish and intellectually dishonest president Kufuor has been exhibited this character for a long time.
Look at how Rollins not all criticizing even John Mahamadu Bawumia in his own government.
Rollins
on Delhi even before answer no winner.
Rollins to be criticizing now president Kufuor Professor Mosini John Mahamadu say ye because of Dormino.
President
Kufuor sikabe na wunya
don't mimic them.
President Akufo sika bɛn na wunyaye. Sika hotel wa ubaye umma ena wudi Ghana sika to hotels ma umanom.
Ghana we se japadia.
Ghana we se japadia. Omman aboboy utumi teacher ni dey for the Charles Bintim. Obedi Middletown Minister for Local Government was a 4 month of a man. Not the bank, Barclays Bank or Standard Chartered Bank. Now the secret 2.6 billion, 2,000. Under President Akufo. And now Bajina can some. So boom wo muno na yesu yemu ye ho na entere baby
parliament
oba enko parliament menyanko parliament parliament ofa nana Akufo omampanyini na Akufo Addo ye ne foreign minister and there baba be di omampanyini enti President Akufo ntumi fa phone em friend nana Akufo Addo nka chese de ye wo ye ne nye nana Akufo Addo she omampanyini nana Nyankopon bo so be sia sore dan President Akufo ti owie ye no emrantie wie university ti Ghana ha se ye nya djuma ye emrantie wie school ye ti Ghana ha ye nya djuma ye enne 58 $1 million eye 170 billion o Ghana cedis. President Akufo nana Akufo Addo fa bako sa 58 160 billion 170 billion 170 billion sa bako 58 e ko tu amena se odi si asore dan wa bra mrantie wie school a come dia ye tifie sa se mo e bae President Akufo ntumi anka ho hwe nana Akufo Addo fa ye sika 34,340 million e de akwa kosi status e de ball ho abaso o se ba ko so ya to abawi a the die ba baba na nwumre sa status ni nyina ba sida oh and die ya beto abawie ya bubu aba no wie nwumre sa status ni nya ye beturu nya akwa chebi
Dela boko
ye turu nya akwa chebi
boko
nsamfu kwa
Dela boko
wa fa America sem nkyere President Akufo
na fa me ko parliament
there be me nka sem nkyere President Akufo ondi ni lame me nyankwa betie me nyankwa lawo na ka say some 30-year-old boy came and sat on TV. No, I'm not a small boy. But let's tell President Akufo say me di me huni. I expect him to also ondi huni ondi ni lame na memu okọ na membu obebu wo Ghana ye nyina hu true car.
Let's do the right thing.
Ono ene ba ya ye sidi otumi yi 40 free ho. What kind of economic city no ye 20,000 no yi 40 na ye asare na sika na ye hata ene wakọ ko trefie oba be sikani ene Nyankopon se boni a obedi ye ti waka che afie mu na wote wo wontina wodi
no Dela with all due respect.
I didn't due respect.
No, dear Mr.
I didn't due respect.
Which mo dear ni dear Mr. Please. You free.
Be you dey free.
Which mo dear no. You want
on share on judge okika kanu na ebufu ati. Enne
all due respect.
President Akufo na me free. Enne President Akufo. Oh, jam me njere mo. I the baby free said boni be my.
Which ni dey you free on enko ye no.
And won't pastor no preach him. Say yem bisa President Akufo say boni odi ye nti waka ayimu. Odi waka preach him.
Pastor Ben cancer.
Oh who trending video. Go and check Facebook. O preach what is center ready.
I'm not on Facebook.
When you obey the way na call.
And if I miss here and Combra, higher should do.
2016, Bawumia had a lecture. Tieno. Kabibi. Tieno. No,
achieve brighter days with mismanagement, incompetence, and corruption. President Mahama has talked about brighter days ahead every year since 2012, but it is all talk. What we have been given are dark days with dimso, unemployment, high taxes, high utility prices, and high cost of living. The opportunity offered by the Jubilee oil discovery has been squandered by poor management, and Ghanaians are now being asked to give the new opportunity offered by the 10 and Sankofa oil fields to the same president and the same government who mismanaged the opportunity of Jubilee. An interesting question, Mr. Chairman, an interesting question to ask is what foundation has been laid that is going to bring about the brighter future? What foundation has been laid? Is it DIMSO? Is it the declining growth? Is it declining agriculture? agriculture and manufacturing output? Is this the high unemployment? Is it the high taxes? Is this the high cost of living? Is this the financial sector fragility? Is it the rising interest rates or the collapsed currency? Is it the declining business confidence? Is it SADA or JIDA or Yomi or Smarties or Ameri or Embraer or Car Power? Or is it the fourth expedition from Burkina Faso? Mr. Chairman, how can President Mahama call this legacy a strong foundation? But haven't we heard about laying a strong foundation before? We should recall, Mr. Chairman, that on August 30th, 2012, President Mahama stated during his acceptance speech in Senyani that, and I quote, "The government for the past 3.5 years has been laying a strong foundation for transformational takeoff of the country's development." This is in August 2012, and they have been laying that strong foundation for 3 years. Now, on December 5th, 2012, his information minister said, "We want to invest in jobs and in people, in the economy, which is part of the prevailing Better Ghana agenda. We have already laid the foundation. We have taken off and we want to soar." Then, the NDC 2012 manifesto states, "This manifesto is based on the achievements over the last 4 years, during which period we established a firm foundation for delivering a program of economic recovery and sustained welfare of the people of Ghana." So, according to President Mahama and the NDC, they had laid a solid foundation between 2008 and 2012, and the country had taken off. In 2016, President Mahama is again telling us, and he just did yesterday in Cape Coast, the day before in Cape Coast, President Mahama is again telling us that he has now laid a very solid foundation and is ready for takeoff. Mr. Chairman, so after laying the foundation and taking...
Let me do personality analysis of when a politician is a political meddler to you. Once said 2016, what realizing? His current position depicts nothing but a murderous liar or your truthful. 2012, 2016, he was speaking out of genuine conscience. It is cheap to bash opposition. It is cheap to bash party in government. So it is cheap with opposition leader. And okatechia Afrifa our angels say amwa. Okacha Ghana for in answer Bawumia Campaign. No frantama. Meba be boss video na ma. No okatechia say Bawumia speech is okay na kwa say Bawumia Campaign obwa. Say no bi na twero ba no. Bo yinti do okatechia kai. Because was no. In 2015, the current vice president of the Republic, our poster boy, make a poster boy, onka who, onka se, wa papa. A member who nim sebukuna, no wonder so called Zimbabwe wa mopamo no. The current vice president, Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia, one new member want to Chesabuku na say no really chire na no kra na me ka so yi secret bi a chire mo. Monim say dey no be really chire nya nyo no ana na chiro. Hey, tie. Me say dey na Dr. Bawumia be really chire yes or ye lectures or ye this. I tell you on authority say nya Dr. Bawumia na chiro da. enipa no otworo saa eye Dr. Bawumia speech ya obe read my me kwafri faminim say nipa ne pa na me kodi nkomo me say nya Dr. Bawumia but yenko eye Joy FM 2015 Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia na wase John Dramani Mahama akọ IMF won chibida enti wo mo ke no abale famiko
when you are hiring them and they tell you they can swim and then you put them in the water and they cannot swim, you better criticize them. You will have to criticize them because they said they would swim, but they are drowning all of us in debt and taxes, you know, and that is they said they could swim, but we found out to our detriment that they can't.
In all this irony na koto hona bo o say ya hwede bo
it can't.
Irony. But that's it. Okay, check the catch. I 2 weeks here. Maybe catch us in November way. Enyo. Me bo kasia dada. Ana makwa home na watching na maba. Tie hwe. Who say Bawumia videos in onye 2016. I am repeating this statement. I don't care how you feel. Se to da me hu obi an ani abere pa campaign ma MPP. So beto amaba MPP ohun. Ne musa nipa krono no. Ase sa nipa no ase sa nipa no ase oh hwe nipa nanim di wo de won wa ayere wo ho ye campaign na no mere karaboaje sa kwa no mere wo de okasa hwe nani na hwe da no wo hwe wo manim no wo de we aso mani abre se wo mpese wo ye campaign gidigidi se ye nto abama MPP ni ada sa nipa no ho me hu ana se wadwen no ase wonim futufra ase because what did he say? Obia bus branding 3.something million Ghana. Then Bawumia and Kufuor Atta Hopetel akwaje 171 million Ghana cedis from ECG. 10 year pam 10 year fi adwuma. Bawumia 10 no akwapram ibiko se hwan former ECG boss ye fan say. Mahamadu Biko anu so ye 10 na 10 apam 10 efi adwuma na wo ya asanteni we ya fanteni we ya aigbe we ya nkran we ya hunter we ya den we ya den wo soro we ya bruni wo di akire yo tani kura wapam no ni kura mu ni tani wapam na efi adwuma e na wo sometimes I want Ghanaians to think tani samete we nana kwame ne maame many onu edumfa okele nana yaw nana edu nana kwame ha mene na badwum ha yei na nyesa waye boni o na mo me pese na kwame obu ayi young executive school ni fast road sikare ba na ye chedi en na kwame se onye na mayina di na ma wo na kwame ho ne yapam no tani Bawumia wapam tani Mahamadu Bik it is a tani Bawumia et bi pam tani Dubika wo ajeman wo nikwe wo tete wo mensa wo yawjabi. Are you crazy? Teddy na pam teddy. And yes, pam on say why boni o. Yi scared bra osimi. I came here to tell you say papa no agenda bi ho ya be pam no. You people thought I was joking. So here we na ya be pam no. Because Dubik is a benya. Why do you want me to say surrender ECG sika? ECG begu. Today Bawumia is saying what? Yes, and to Abama or no any MPP. Here, me in time Bawumia. Minister J. Kufuor, Unim Bawumia, and through J. Kufuor, and Mbehu Bawumia. Bawumia as a person say, a fine gentleman. But ordinary sako kasa mayadriane, yabamane diye. Me to way, Mamma Cassam to her if you be enemy. Baby, my year, you will be me. We are dear, name your papa, Namin Peniswa, Namaho Mensa. Me jaho, Opa be president, President, there's a bit to be resigning, because we made you crop ready. me yiwadi eno me ka kire wo mesa ma ya chew ya ba pasa beti he Kwadwo Smart me ya vice president na me president ijimi na me to me ba bonten o papa me meko Bawumia is part of the cartel area yen and if you Thursday ko no me kire wo cartel the first cartel Bawumia ka ho your friend Haptel $25 million 171 million Ghana cedis bisa Bawumia say Haptel hwan dia Mumbu said Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia says our companies no hwan dia ye fa no ntonche tie he's again telling us to vote for him. Listen, I don't hate him. I love Bawumia. But Okatechia free farmer yati asese wa bon say speech no kura nyon natural. Owi no saka ja hwenti. Madam guy, Afrifa. What's hwenti? Eti die no pache say Bawumia tea empty. Eti konkroa. Now he said something about exchange rate. Pacho Katum. Do
you understand them? You will recall that I stated in 2014 that if the fundamentals are weak, the exchange rate will expose you. That was true.
Pause it. Hey, baby, Alanchira Martin Beba. Papa penimi su MPP bo san so economist or no so beba aya hwe omumi enu anim na hwe MPP for na eto na na Bawumia masa lecture si asam no ketechi Africa ka se hweniti no say yampa na mpedi for se hwe akoye oje hweniti ro baba yanko
in 2015
it is 100% correct.
The current vice president of a year
So if the fundamentals are weak, the exchange rate will expose you. But it is warped.
Go back.
To jump from that, ladies and gentlemen, you will recall that I stated in 2014 that if the fundamentals are weak, the exchange rate will expose you. That was true then, and it is true now. It is 100% correct. So if the fundamentals are weak, the exchange rate will expose you. But it is warped logic. To jump from that to a conclusion that if there is depreciation in your currency, then the fundamentals must be weak. Do you understand the logic? It is very warped.
If the
fundamentals are weak, will expose you.
This is confirming, sir. Papa no yetroni ya mama no wabon kan ketesi yo ketechi. What say? If Professor Jamba for na net one onye ni packet wa ba ni sika sam tutu o tu sa akwa no hwenti o say when o say if the fundamentals are weak, the exchange rate will expose you. Would you feel say it is a warped logic to think that when there's a depreciation in your currency, the nature said Bawumia he's a warped human being.
For governments,
you cannot manage open economy with market determination of prices. Exchange rate movements are the most important indicator of underlying macroeconomic fundamentals. As the saying goes, when in doubt, observe the exchange rate. The lesson from history for governments is that you cannot manage the economy with propaganda. In fact, you can engage in all the propaganda you want, but if the fundamentals are weak, the exchange rate will expose you.
All right, but that's it. It's now a warped human being giving us a warped explanation, a warped interpretation of his warped ideas. Bawumia, you are a warped being. One word, to come, bro, for the man, one kind. It's a warped logic. Such a person is now campaigning and asking me do nyame metweti yawo. Me me ped nipa wo ho. Hwe madam for bini girl bi nyim here. But no niska. Nti no say on person obeji nyinsen no. Watch this. Okoya no kodadwe ho saa. No san call na chi no koka kire girl ni say me sorry. Say me ka kire wo say nyinsen no enye me. Me are very sorry. But na me hwe me botoma. Ahokyere ntidanka me yesa na mahwe sesa ebia obeyi yinsen na ka yemienu ina no ye ho atoye. But makoda adwe ho. Me hu se me kan kwase asem. Nti me sraw yinsen no eye me a. Enti ma me no nko. Me ka am so note. Ya fa ba ya tena kam enkra haya sam na me catch the way enkra haya obi anim se ge ne se so telata bi okohye methodist fo aso na chi ho na obi anim no e ho na friend salvation no aha bi anim e kofa ala na bosre e kofa no ya de ne ko no papa de ne ma me ho madam fi do ho no bunko toje o se me na me kan say nyame but I feel the me. This is what Bawumia should do. Apologize to us for telling us rubbish.
No, it's for winning a year and summer about the toy. You so because see so and our no say we don't subscribe. We have Bomodia say over subscribe to the channel. Sansa had yet later and hot news and one. And I'm the Bremo. I feel we are now like give us a thumbs up. Nothing share one of Ato Forson. When you be here now, and someone I also will God and Mahamadu. What's waiting me at share what Gyamfi here? Some way now I will comment boxing interview in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.